had a lot of reds.
We have another red, I
Yes,
think. Yeah?
but let's
This
see.
one, she really owns the color
Oh,
red.
She owns the
It's
Can we
twist.
hers.
say that?
I want to see what Faith Da Silva is wearing.
Ladies and
And
gentlemen,
the walk,
strutting
right?
up
There we go.
to the
And
sparkle
the look
wall.
and
Yes.
up. Yes.
Very
What
there we
a
go.
moment.
Is
Zendaya.
that the
Actually,
inspiration?
babe, ikaw ang peg ko. Oo. Hindi mo ba nakikita?
Ikaw yung peg ko eh. Yeah, joke. But Faith, Flamara, you have always been in theme ever since. Diba? So tell us a little bit naman about your journey as Flamara. Siguro ngayon na nakikita mo na rin kung ano yung reception ng mga tao.
Actually, sa totoo lang, ang hirap din kasi para sa amin nung una because hindi namin nakikita kung ano yung ginagawa namin.
true.
And it's a fantasy series.
Yes.
So lahat ng imagination talaga kailangan mong paganahin. Pero now that we can finally see everything coming together, we are so proud. At yung pagpapasalamat ko kasi ang init talaga ng pagtanggap ng mga kapuso natin sa Encantadia. Even the kids, hindi ko alam kung bakit culturally, alam nila yung buong world ng Encantadia. And I'm so
Yes.
amazed sa lahat po ng mga Encantadics out there. Patindi ng patindi ang mga kaganapan. Kaming mga sangre, medyo nagiging mahina kami. Pero paano namin ma-redeem yun? Paano namin
course.
maikukuha ang power? Dahil sabi nga nila, hindi na nanalo ang kasamaan sa kabutihan.
Tama.
Yun, doon ako maniniwala.
Okay, sige. Really quickly, Faith, who are you wearing?
Hair and makeup as well.
I'm wearing confidence.
Ah,
Char!
okay.
Oh,
Sorry.
hindi.
Sorry,
Um,
Pogi.
yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
This is styled by Perry Tabora, assisted by Chris De Leon, makeup by Jomel Reyes and Choge, and the one who cut my hair, si Tani Makapangtao. And I just cut my hair
You actually
today.
cut your
Oh,
hair.
Yeah, I just cut my hair.
Wow.
Para sa gala.
Thank
Ganito,
you.
ganito ang preparation ko.
I love it.
All in.
All in talaga ang Faith Da Silva with the confidence. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Enjoy
You guys
the
look
night.
great.
See you later
Let's
sa
have
loob. Take care.
fun.